In the small, charming Long Island village of Oyster Bay Cove, just 25 miles but easily 80-minute drive into Manhattan, this gated luxury 1930 Tudor-style mansion embodies the best of old-school Gold Coast estates. The North Shore of Long Island, an area known for its extreme wealth and lavish estates. Welcome to the Pebbles estate. Beautifully built of stone, slate, and brick, spacious in and out, with formal clipped gardens, a fountain, and even a conservatory. It's all very Gatsby-esque indeed. So what does $9 million buy on the Gold Coast nowadays? A 7-bedroom, 10-bathroom mansion with 12,000 square feet of living space set on almost 7 acres of land. A 2-bedroom and 2-bath guest house alongside an oval-shaped swimming pool. A 7-car garage, a tennis court, and a painful annual tax bill of $142,000. It's New York after all. Though the buyer's children will be able to go to the Spacious public schools, ranked among the best in the United States. The handsome, multi-winged faux timbered home was renovated by John Keane, considered one of the best builder and architects on Long Island. Old millwork and original features now shine among modern touches. With 6 fireplaces and open layout, the home is perfect for entertaining indoor and outdoors. The vaulted and beamed ceiling in the den is impressively lofty, yet the room manages to remain cozy with the fireplace and some impressive artwork. Other rooms of note include the kitchen with high-end appliances and the aforementioned conservatory, which doubles as a sun-filled breakfast room that overlooks the magnificent property. The master complex features a sitting room, his and her bathrooms and dressing areas, along with a balcony overlooking the English gardens. Outside, besides the lush gardens, the pool and tennis court, there are multiple eating and relaxing areas, as well as a fire pit, an outdoor kitchen, formal clipped gardens, and an inviting pergola. All situated on 7 acres, it completes this magical estate. Tax records show the current owners as Bye Bye Baby founders Jeffrey and Deborah Feinstein. They paid $14.4 million for the vintage estate in 2006, which means they're staring down the barrel of a whopping $4.6 million loss, even if the house sells for its full asking price. Almost $9 million